Hi guys, Marcy here, and today we're going to talk a little Sephora Play. So I have like really dialed it back on the subscription boxes. It's gotten too much and it's gotten too repetitive. The one subscription box I have continuously kept every single month is Sephora Play, and there's a couple different reasons for it. Number one, you know that the products you're getting are high-end or higher end, and you tend to know at least a lot more names I found than with like Ipsy, who's pulling more like new companies, indie companies, stuff like that. And it's not that there's anything wrong with it, it's just that I'm at this point where like I want to know what I'm getting is quality, and I want it to be a name I know and a name I can trust and things I can actually use. And I was finding that more so I would find those things in Sephora Play than with Ipsy. Well, that's another video. We'll get into that later. So this is the March Sephora Play Bag, and March is actually my birthday month. It was just my birthday. So it says beauty is my spirit animal in this cute little like blue tie-dye cloth bag. Typically I don't keep these because they're just, I don't know. I throw them away. It's not like some of the Ipsy ones were really cute and like convenient and I would actually use them and keep them. These, I don't think I've kept one in like the year I've been getting it now. So we are going to pull out our first thing, which is from Stila, and it's the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Now, I've heard a lot about this. I know a lot of YouTubers love it. They say it really lasts all day. It's like a cult classic from what I understand. I have never tried it, so I am excited too. It just comes in your, typical thing. There's the point on it. Ooh, that is a long, is it felt tip? It has to be, right? Ooh. I'm interested to see if that dries down really matte or if it's more shiny, but that looks very promising, and I am actually trying to incorporate more eyeliner in my life, so it'll be good practice. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Korre. This is another company that I've never tried anything from them, but I've heard that they are so good, and like Kendall and Kylie Jenner use them and this and that, and I have never used anything from this brand before, so I'm really excited to try it. And it's their Greek yogurt foaming cream cleanser. I've heard a ton about this stuff. I just want to see what it smells like. It doesn't really have a smell, at least not that I can like notice. Next is this hair product from IGK, and it's the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. I do have a ton of hair products. Honestly, I don't use a whole lot of hair products. Like usually this is just my life, sloppy bun with nothing in it. But I am also trying to like do more styling and stuff like that, so I will give it a shot. I know the brand. I've never used anything from IGK before, but I know a lot of people, with the other products as well, do like it. So I'll give it a try. Next is from Amica, and it's the Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I'm assuming this is a hair mask because I know Amica is a hair brand. And I actually just finished all of my conditioning masks, so I will definitely give this one a shot and see if it holds up to my Eva NYC hair mask that I love so much. We got two more things in here. Okay, I think I've had this before. This is from Supergoop, and it's the Defense Refresh Setting Mist Broad Spectrum SPF 50. If I recall, I've gotten this before, and if it's what I think it is, I did not like this. It kind of stung my face. It felt kind of sticky and weird, and the spritzer on this was just really bad. But I'll try it again and we'll see what happens. There is one more product left. Now, Sephora would typically always have a perfume sample to include, so you would get 6 products total, 5 samples, and a perfume sample. Since this new year has started though, like since January, I have not gotten perfume samples. I've just gotten an additional sample to the 5 samples I've already received. So I don't know if that's something they're changing or not, but this is the Bobbi Brown Extra illuminating moisture. I can't talk today. Illuminating moisture balm. So basically, I'm assuming that this is just, you know, like a glowy moisturizer or a glowy primer. This says it's in Bare Glow. I've never had anything from Bobbi Brown before. I know, I'm like, for some reason, this is like the package of like products Marcy's never tried or brands Marcy's never tried but heard of. So, you know what it looks? It looks a whole lot like the MAC Strobe Cream. Ooh, it smells nice. It has like a tropical smell. I don't really... It smells really, really good. But I'm not really seeing like a huge difference. We'll try it, of course. So that is it. That is all of the samples that I got from my Sephora Play this month. So overall, I don't really think it's anything bad. I mean, it's a lot of products that I know people love, a lot of brands that I know people absolutely love and adore that I'm excited to try. I'd say it was about half and half. So I got 3 that I'm really, really excited about to try. I got 2 that I'm just like, and I got 1 that I'm kind of in the middle about. So, I am happy with it. I'm going to keep getting my Sephora Play for right now, until something changes. And overall, I still feel like I'm getting the better deal, the better products, and just the better experience overall, with the Sephora Play as opposed to Ipsy. I did get an Ipsy bag this month. I'll talk more about that. I'll make a whole nother Ipsy video, separate from this. But for right now, for the $10, I'm still really loving the monthly Sephora packages. And of course, you get the card for the extra 50 points if you take it in store. So that's it. Let me know if you're still getting your Sephora Play or if you're planning on starting a Sephora Play after seeing this video and what you think of the products down below. As always, if you like what I do here, if you like my channel, like this video, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to follow me on all of my social media at Marcy_K with 2 eyes, just like it is here. I love you guys. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you later. Mwah. Bye.